Ever wanted to publish an ebook but didn't know where to start? With Ebook Writer AI, you can create and publish a complete ebook from scratch, even if you've never written one before. Here's how simple it is. Start by entering your topic or idea. It could be anything from personal finance to productivity tips. In seconds, the AI generates your entire ebook outline and fills in chapter with clear, engaging content. No writing skills needed, no expensive freelance, and no endless formatting. Ebook Writer AI takes care of it all, from the writing to the layout and even the cover design. Once your ebook is ready, you can publish it instantly on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. What used to take weeks can now be done in minutes, and at a fraction of the cost. So if you're ready to turn your ideas into professional ebooks and start earning from them, click the link in the description and start creating with Ebook Writer AI today.